Right, I've got a bit of a different setup today. If you could see it, you'd laugh. It's a bit of wood with my phone sat on top of it. It just means sometimes when people request things, it takes me about a day to record something and clean it up and make it good for YouTube and that. But really, just the raw product is good enough if you want to see what's going on. So this is it FPI Project Risky? Yeah. Anyway, the bass notes are as follows: E, probably sounds rubbish on there, doesn't it, without it being processed through a computer. This is right hand. So it's them 3 chords. I've got a TR8 drum machine over here. I don't know how good this will sound through the phone, but hey ho. So that's all that's going on. I think it's variants of that, but have a play around. See how you go on.